Let's talk about the latest launched Oppo smartphone A5 Pro 5G with floral fantasy design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.67 inches HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, approximately 89.9% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 264 ppi pixel density, 1000 nits high brightness mode, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, or Shot Sensation Alpha Protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide angle camera with aperture 1.8, along with 2 megapixel depth camera with aperture 2.4, for selfies. It has 8 megapixel centered punch hole wide angle front camera with aperture 2.0, video. Recording maximum 1080p at 30, 60 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 15 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz dual Core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300, 6 nanometer chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6 GB, 8 GB, 12 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 2.2 on board. Storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.82 by 75.53 by 7.76 millimeters, and it weighs around 194 grams, and the color options, mocha brown, bloom pink colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5800 mAh battery, with 45-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, with stereo dual speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP68, IP69 dust-tight and water-resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Oppo A5 Pro 5G has been priced for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 7,990 new Taiwan dollars, while 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 9,490 new Taiwan dollars. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Oppo A5 Pro 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.